Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. How are you today?
Hello, I'm great. Thank you. And I'm very excited about today's topic.
Me too. Today, we will talk about zodiac signs. Do you know your sign?
Yes, of course, I'm a Taurus. What about you?
I'm a Leo. But do you think your zodiac sign matches your personality?
Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But I think zodiac signs are very interesting.
Yes, they are fun to talk about. We will explain each sign and their unique traits. Let's start. First, let's talk about Aries. If your birthday is between March 21st and April 19th, you are an Aries.
Aries people are brave, confident, and full of energy. They like to try new things and take risks.
Yes, they are natural leaders. They are not afraid to speak up or make decisions.
That's true. But Aries can also be a little impatient. They want everything to happen very quickly.
Exactly. They don't like waiting, but their energy is amazing and they inspire others to act. Next is Taurus. If you were born between April 20th and May 20th, your sign is Taurus.
Taurus people are very reliable. They are good friends because they are loyal and kind.
Yes, they also love comfort and nice things, like good food, music, or a cozy home.
That's true. But they can also be a bit stubborn. If they make a decision, it's hard to change their mind.
Taurus is an earth sign, so they like stability. They don't enjoy big changes. They prefer a simple and peaceful life. Now, let's talk about Gemini. If your birthday is between May 21st and June 20th, you are a Gemini.
Gemini people are very talkative and friendly. They love to meet new people and learn new things.
Yes, they are very curious. They like to explore different ideas and hobbies.
But sometimes they can be a little indecisive. They want to try everything, so it's hard for them to choose one thing.
That's true. Gemini is an air sign, so they love to think and share ideas. They are very smart and funny, too. Let's move on to Cancer. If you were born between June 21st and July 22nd, you are a Cancer.
Cancer people are very emotional and caring. They love their family and friends a lot.
Yes, they are very protective. They always want to make sure their loved ones are safe and happy.
But they are also very sensitive. If you hurt their feelings, it's hard for them to forget.
That's true. Cancer is a water sign, so they feel things deeply. But they are very kind and supportive. Next is Leo, my sign. If your birthday is between July 23rd and August 22nd, you are a Leo.
Leos are confident, creative, and love being in the spotlight. They are natural performers.
That's right. They are very passionate and love to share their ideas with others.
But sometimes Leos can be a little dramatic. They like attention, so they can be very expressive.
True, but they are also very loyal and generous. They have big hearts and love to help others. Now, we have Virgo. If your birthday is between August 23rd and September 22nd, you are a Virgo.
Virgo people are very organized and hardworking. They like everything to be perfect.
Yes, they pay attention to every little detail. They are very good at solving problems.
But sometimes they can be too critical. They notice every mistake, and that can be stressful.
That's true. But Virgos are also very kind and helpful. They like to take care of others. Now, let's talk about Libra. If your birthday is between September 23rd and October 22nd, you are a Libra.
Libras love balance and peace. They are very friendly and hate arguments.
Yes, they are great at making everyone feel happy. They are also very creative and enjoy beautiful things.
But they can be indecisive because they want everything to be perfect.
True, but Libras are charming and people love to be around them. Next is Scorpio. If your birthday is between October 23rd and November 21st, you are a Scorpio.
Scorpios are very passionate and strong-willed. They never give up.
That's true. They are also very loyal to the people they love.
But Scorpios can be a little secretive. They don't share their feelings easily.
Yes, but once they trust you, they are amazing friends. Now, let's talk about Sagittarius. If your birthday is between November 22nd and December 21st, you are a Sagittarius.
Sagittarius people love adventure. They enjoy traveling and learning about new places.
Yes, they are very optimistic and love to make people laugh.
But sometimes they can be too honest. They say what they think, even if it hurts.
True, but they are fun and bring a lot of energy to any situation. Next is Capricorn. If your birthday is between December 22nd and January 19th, you are a Capricorn.
Capricorns are hardworking and responsible. They always focus on their goals.
Yes, they are very disciplined and take their work seriously.
But they can sometimes forget to relax because they are so busy.
That's true, but they are very reliable and people trust them a lot. Let's talk about Aquarius. If your birthday is between January 20th and February 18th, you are an Aquarius.
Aquarians are creative and love to think about new ideas. They care a lot about helping others.
Yes, they are very independent and enjoy spending time alone to think.
But sometimes they can seem a bit distant. They don't always show their emotions.
True, but they are very friendly and want to make the world a better place. Finally, we have Pisces. If your birthday is between February 19th and March 20th, you are a Pisces.
Pisces people are very kind and emotional. They understand other people's feelings very well.
Yes, they are also very creative. They love music, art, and stories.
But sometimes they can be too dreamy. They forget about real life because they are lost in their imagination.
That's true, but Pisces are great friends because they care so much about others. And that's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning about the zodiac signs.
Do you think your sign matches your personality? Let us know in the comments or send us a message.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye and take care.